Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see.
Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to Davon's Lifestyle. This is a beautiful channel. I know you will like it here. If it's your first time here, karibu sana. And if you're our returning subscribers, you always come back here weekly for good content. Thank you so much for always coming back. So in this vlog, actually right now, I'm starting this vlog right now. We are traveling to Nakuru and we're gonna have a good time. I'll show you our outfit. It's in the morning. I'm not yet done fully, like I've just worn, but I'll do my hair and makeup in the car because of time. This is our outfit of the day. Ish, we're looking so good. This looks so nice. 360. Yeah, the man of the hour. Unakaa poa, love. Yeah, I like your new kofia, your new look. It looks so good. And then for me, it's just this nice two-piece. It looks like gazette, by the way. Yeah, so it's a nice two-piece, a high-waist skirt, and a crop top. Where? There's a bee here. Remember to, love kuja uambie, remember to, when nataka uambie leo. And I sound too like I'm waking up. Tujakunywa hata chai.
Remember to subscribe, like and comment.
Yes, and share this video.
Lord only knows what it took to making you, like a blossom of a tree or the color of a jewel. So divine is the feeling that I find, like a sweet mountain breeze in a fragment of my mind. I said, darling, you are all I want for sure. Darling, you give me everything and more. I said, darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you. Slide talking, girl, you're walking circles through my mind. And it seems like every day just gets better when you're mine. Bring you love now and forever. For my hurt, you are the cure. Like a spring, you keep me healthy with a substance that is pure. And I said, darling, I'm feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, in your arms I feel secure. Darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you. Oh yeah, you know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you. You know I miss you. And I said, darling, oh darling, you are all I want for sure. All I want for sure. Darling, in your arms I feel secure. I feel secure.
Welcome to Nakuru County. Yay! Tuko Nakuru County sasa. The epitome of women in leadership. Everyone is traveling for Christmas. Where? Kama umebaki Nairobi, imagine ni wewe tu. Look at your friends. Just know uko peke yako. Hey sweets, I want us to unbox really interesting packages together for this December. The first one that I took advantage of the sale is a Shop New Level. So Shop New Level had a sale for their lip oils and lipsticks and everything. They had a sale, I think, last week, and I had to take advantage of this sale. I got lip oils. Let me show you. So this is the package that they came in with. They've just written the details over here, then it just looks like this. I love the bubble wrap because it protects the product. So let's open it and see what's inside. Ooh. First off, a Christmas card. Look at this. Merry Christmas. I love the card so much. Then at the back, there's a message. So it reads, "Hi honey." I'm putting Nancy Moy's voice. "Hi honey, you're the heart and soul of our business. Aww. There will be no us without you. Your loyalty means everything to us. Thank you for being a top tier customer. Feel free to share your look and tag us. I'll definitely do that." So yeah, this is so thoughtful. I really love the Christmas card. Thank you. So now let's see what's inside. Wow, it's lip oils. I love these lip oils so much. I got two. So XOXO moisturizing orange lip oil and XOXO moisturizing pomegranate lip oil. So let's try them. Look at the packaging. Just see. Actually got two because in 2025 I'm not walking around with crusty lips, yeah, like dry lips. So these ones will last me for a long time. That's why I got two. So let's unbox the first one. This one is the pomegranate lip oil. Let's do this. Let's do this. Ooh. So let's try this on. I like the applicator. I like the way that it's so thick and fat. So one scoop is enough. It smells so nice. It smells edible. Ooh. It feels so good on my lips. Sky. It's pink here, but then it's clear on my lips, so it's not pigmented. I love this. I'll be rocking this on a daily. So let's try the other one. Moisturizing orange lip oil. Whoo! Whoo! Baby! Wow. Real oranges, man. So let's try this on. I know it's the same, but let me do it for you guys. A new level, you'll always be famous. Another purchase that I was so excited and it's my first time to try their products. Oh, look at that. Joanna K Cosmetics. Who doesn't know Joanna K? I love Joanna K so much. So I really wanted to get her lip oils for real, for real. I really wanted, but the sale ended in like 10 minutes. I remember I was on the website because the sale was starting immediately, like at 9 a.m. sharp is when the sale was starting, and I was there at like 9:20, 9:15, and guys, I missed the sale for the lip oils. They just went out of stock in like 15 minutes. Let's see what's inside. Kwanza, the packaging, the bag. Jana, you're not joking? The bag, it's so beautiful. Ah, a card, a thank you card. This is beautiful. Oh, I love to see businesses like just doing the most. The card says, thank you for choosing us. We just wanted to send a big thank you your way for shopping with us. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to see you again soon. Yeah, most definitely. Then at the back it says, we'd love your feedback, connect with us, and then their social media pages, their tags, and their contacts. So I love this. Very thoughtful. Another thoughtful thing that they put in their package are sweets. Thank you, Joanna. Then what I got. So since I didn't get the lip oils, I got a lip gloss. I'm a gloss girl. If I'm wearing a lipstick, I think I just wear a red matte lipstick. But if I'm not in a red matte lipstick, find me in gloss. So yeah, I got a gloss. Look at the packaging. Joanna. This is a lip gloss, not a lip oil. So the difference between a lip gloss and a lip oil is that the lip oil, what I have, is very lightweight, and you can even sleep in a lip oil. You don't like, lip oils are meant to like repair your lips, and yeah, it's repair. And then for lip gloss, normally it's just for like beauty purposes, so you can't sleep on a lip gloss. I got the shade Au Natural. Au Natural. Let's see what Au Natural looks like. Yes. Au Natural. It's a colored gloss. Again, I love nude looks. I told you guys, if I'm not on matte red lipstick, you'll find me in gloss, clear gloss, or nude gloss. I saw she was advising when you're putting Au Natural to do a lip liner, a brown lip liner. So I want to do that, but it's not a must. But if it's better, then why not? I'm gonna use the Davis eye pencil in the shade 003. So I'll just like outline my lips, then I put the gloss. Then we go in with the gloss. It smells like chocolate, guys. Oh, it's so nice. For lip gloss, you'll find a thinner applicator so that you can be more precise with the application. So this is how it looks. Ooh. Ah! Guys, I'm sold. That's how Au Natural is looking. Oh my god, I love it so much. I can wear this when I'm not wearing makeup. Actually, at the moment, I don't have any makeup, and I already look put together. So I love it. Another fave. Another. Guys, I got a Christmas gift. Look at that. I got a Christmas gift that I want us to open together. I love the card. So tiny and cute. Let's unbox it together. thoughtful. This is what I was gifted. It's 30 days self-love affirmations. It's an affirmation calendar. Let's just pick a random one. So when you open, it will be staying like this. So when you open, there's affirmation and then like an art on the side. So for example, let's read what this says. It says, today I choose to be my own biggest supporter, cheering myself through every triumph and offering a gentle hand of comfort through the moment of challenge. I love that. Let's read another one. Today I recognize that I am a beacon of self-love, radiating a glow that attracts positivity, opportunities, and meaningful connections into my life. Oh God, this is so beautiful. Thank you so much. And the person who actually gave me this Christmas gift is not even a Christian. She doesn't celebrate Christmas, but then she's gifted me a Christmas gift. Thank you so much. I thank God that you're in my life. So that's it from the unboxing, guys.
Mtumia ngadha. Jiko ni tatu. Wow. I like the food already.
Jiko tatu. Na kule yenye inaungua. Zote tatu. 1, 2, 3.
It's well.
Yeah.
It's well.
Ugali, liver, and some greens over here. Hi guys, it's Christmas. It's Christmas Day. We're so excited. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, guys. I know by the time you're watching Christmas itakuwa imepita, but Merry Christmas. We're looking so good in our Christmas outfits. Hey love, unakaa vizuri. So we are going to our Christmas destination. Karibu niseme holiday destination, but next year holiday destination for sure. But this one is a Christmas getaway destination. I'm so excited. I don't know where we're going. This one over here has refused to tell me. I ona uko kumedekoratia vizuri. Hey, you guys are enjoying Christmas. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to guys, the views as we head to our Christmas getaway is so stunning. Look at that. Oh God. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be
be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making
Hey
our
guys,
Christmas
let me show you the
memories.
beauty of Sironka. This place is so beautiful. You can already see from the screen. Also, I supported one of the ladies over here who sells beadwork. Look at my bead. It looks so good. I got it in gold and it's matching so well with my outfit and everything. So let me show you around. So we have those beautiful hills over there. Kajiado is so beautiful. They are so breathtaking. Then over here, guys can play archery. This is the archery place. Then I don't know if you can see there, that's the kids area, playing area, and then behind them is where guys are doing zip lining. The place is so beautiful. Then the parking lot is up there, and then that's the restaurant area and dining area. It's so beautiful, very, very beautiful, very demure. Hi love, hi, una chill tu, unaotajua. It's guys, can you see guys over there riding the bicycle? That thing is so cool. We are about to try that. Love, I'm so excited to try your kit. The last time we went ziplining, I was fighting for my life, but today I want to try that. So hiyo inaitwa bicycle. Kama ingine ni ziplining, hiyo ni nini? Bike lining. Milima na mabonde. I've come to the car because we need to do one activity and I can't go with my dress. Otherwise, I'm gonna show everyone everything. Luckily, we carried outfits because we've been planning to spend some time here. I've changed my outfit. I'm wearing a black top and blue pants. This will be so good for that. So let me go.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got.
Let me tell you Maina. Hey, mimi nilikuwa nasikia roho iko kwa tumbo. This thing is not easy, but hey, I think don't look. If you have fear of heights kama mimi, angalia mbele and just think of good things. Usifikirie ati unaweza kufia hapo juu. Just think of other things. I can't wait to get back because now tumetanisha, we have to go to the other side. Bado ndaenda tu na God, but my Lord, growing up mimi nimefanya hizi vitu sasa nikiwa mtu mzima, and I'm so scared of heights, but it's worth it. By the way, it's so much fun. Ukiweka fear aside, it's so much fun, but it's not easy, but it's fun. Yeah, niko na courage misisikie leo. Courage misisikie na uoga ya Doris. Nimeogopa tena.
Mwambie.
Now we're here. Hata sijui nitarudi aje huko. My Lord. Nani alinituma huko?
You will be back.
Show me love.